Now consider the example. The sales per day in a shop is exponentially distributed with the average sale amounting to rupees 100 and net profit is 8%. Find the probability that the net profit exceeds rupees 30 on 2 consecutive days. Now here understanding the question is very important. So let me solve this by taking, let x be the variable that denotes the sale in the shop. So the Poisson distribution is given by lambda e power minus lambda x, where lambda happens to be the reciprocal of the mean, or lambda is equal to 1 by 100, that's equal to 0.01. Now, what we have to find out is the limits to find the probability that the net profit exceeds. That is, here the profit percentage and the profit amount obtained is given. That is, the profit percentage is 8% and the profit amount what has been obtained is rupees 30. But for which amount, on applying the profit percentage of 8%, 30 rupees has been obtained is to be found out. That is, if for rupees 100 you have got 8% profit, then the money obtained will be 8 rupees or 108. Now this amount we have to find out. That is, if 8% profit is applied on an amount 100, you will get 108. That is adding 8 rupees to it. So this amount have to be found out. So let me assume that amount as A. So now let me assume the amount as A, for which if I apply 8% of profit, I get the profit amount of rupees 30. So equation goes as follows. A into 8 by 100 is equal to 30. That is, for amount A, if I apply the 8% profit, I'll be getting the rupees 30 as the profit amount. So on simplification, I get A is equal to 375. Now, the net profit exceed rupees 30, then the sale per day must be more than rupees 375. So the equation goes as f of x greater than 375. Applying the integral 375 to infinity and simplifying, I get this. Suppose you don't need the infinity as the limit, then you can go for the complement of f of x greater than 375. That's equal to 1 minus f of x less than or equal to 375. That is equal to 1 minus 0 to 375. Simplifying again, you get the same answer. Now this is only OR. If at all you want to do this, you can go for the second step. Otherwise, the first step itself is fine. Now you get the answer as 0.0235. Since the distribution is exponential and for 2 consecutive days is asked, you have to square the amount what you have got for one day. That is 0.02351 whole square. Remember, if the question is asked for 3 consecutive days, then you have to take the power as 3. 4 consecutive days, then the power will be 4 because the distribution is exponential. Now here are 2 questions as assignment for the exponential distribution, which you can solve it, and this completes the exponential distribution. In the next class, I'll be taking up with the normal distribution.